Today I will talk about new Pelagos 39. I had a chance to try this watch at a store and here is what I think. Tudor Pelagos 39 is perfect. Will I replace my BB58 with the new Pelagos? So I had a chance to try a new Tudor Pelagos 39mm on my wrist and here's what I think. Tudor Pelagos 39 is a brilliant watch, probably one of the best, if not the best watch for the money on the market today. Let's talk about my first impressions of the watch and how it felt on my wrist. It felt great, but I'm not buying them. That's probably one of the best watches I tried recently. I would buy this watch if I didn't have my BB58. Am I ready to sacrifice my BB58 for the new Pelagos? No, I'm not. There are two main reasons why I won't be buying a new Pelagos in the near future. First, I'm not a big fan of titanium. Second, I love my Tudor BB58. I would love to see the other color combinations in the near future, and I hope they will introduce it soon. Well, if the near future anything will change to my collection, this new Pelagos would be one of the main candidates. Fun fact, in January I made a video about my predictions for Tudor. All my predictions were wrong. But the second part was about my wishes from Tudor, and two of them became reality. Not at the 100%, but at 90% I would say. We did not get a BB58 GMT Pepsi, but we got a BB Pro, which is a GMT model in a 39mm case. And my other wish was for Pelagos in a 39mm case size. Guess what? We got it. We got Pelagos in 39mm case size, which is even better. Oh, I have so many other wishes for Tudor. I hope they will come to reality fully or partially. It would be awesome. On a wrist, the new Pelagos seemed smaller compared to my BB58. Probably because of the design elements and lug-to-lug measurements. The sunburst dial and the bezel looked very nice in the metal. The dial is very dark and plays on light nicely. It can be grayish or almost completely black. I tried to show it in my photos from the store. The dial markers are made the same way as on the BB Pro. It is solid ceramic lumed markers. The watch specs are great. At this price point, they are very competitive. The case and the bracelet are made in 2-grade titanium. It has a ceramic bezel with a sunburst effect. 200 meters of water resistance. The bracelet features a Tudor T-fit clasp with adjustment on the fly, plus a wetsuit extension. No 4 rivets on the bracelet, so people who hate them rejoice. Anti-magnetic in-house movement with 70 hours of power reserve. The movement is COSC certified with rated accuracy of -2 + 4 seconds per day, which is pretty good. The watch comes with an additional rubber strap, which is a very nice touch. And don't forget the 5 years warranty from Tudor. The watch is fairly light and was super comfortable on my wrist. Because they are made of titanium, you don't feel much weight on your wrist. The 39mm case size makes them great for most wrists. So if you're thinking about the new Tudor Pelagos 39, you're actually thinking in the right direction. It is a fantastic watch. I would suggest trying it because when you do, there's a big chance you didn't want to take them off your wrist. Negativity. There's some negativity that I want to address. Actually, there are none. I can't say anything negative about this watch. It is perfect. There were some reported issues with regular Pelagos bezel falling out. Not sure how often that was happening, but I saw some owners from the watch community reporting on that. My personal experience with Tudor was nothing but great so far. I own 3 Tudor watches and so far so good. The quality and the accuracy are great. I have no problem with my Tudors. Let's talk about availability. I did not ask my AD how available this watch is. When I stopped by the Tudor boutique in Toronto, the watch was available for the demonstration only. But the salesperson said that she can put me on a list for this watch. Considering that I was getting calls from this boutique before, there's a chance they will actually call. I'm pretty sure I would be able to order the new Pelagos with my ID as well, if I want to buy one. So what's the conclusion? The new Tudor Pelagos is the perfect watch in my opinion. It has everything you need from a luxury tool watch. It can be your one and only watch for many years. If you are looking for a good diver watch from a reputable brand, the Pelagos 39 is worth checking out. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye now and take care.